Let's DIY a Mossy Shamrock display for St. Patrick's Day using one of their glitter foam shamrocks. I just removed the hanger from it and then I'm going to use one of their little wood signs for a base. Now, the reindeer moss from the Dollar Tree, I really like it when it is fresh and green like this. This is what I've been finding at the stores lately. Sometimes it looks a little bit darker, as you can see. So I like the variety. So I'm going to mix two different colors together. And I'm not going to bother painting or sealing over the glitter or anything like that. I'm just going to start attaching the reindeer moss. I'm just using hot glue. The moss and the foam itself don't really like hot glue too much, but it's a pretty quick bond and I think it will work really well. I'm just going to go around the entire shamrock, gluing over everywhere we're going to be able to see the glitter to make this mossy shamrock. And I absolutely love how this turned out. Anytime I can cover something in moss, I love it. I think it's perfect for St. Patrick's Day. So I have the entire front of it covered, but you're going to be able to see the sides. We're going to make this into a freestanding display. And so I do have to go around all of the edges to cover up the glitter as well. You don't have to do the back unless you want to. If you want to save some moss, you can skip the back. That's what I'm going to do. So I just did the front, I did the sides. I'm also going to have to go around and do the inside ring too, so you can't see any of the glitter showing through. I want that to be completely covered. The green background is great, but I just don't want to be able to see any glitter. That's not going to go too well with the mossy feel of this. Now, this can go great for any theme. If you like a natural theme, I love it because I think it goes great with my coastal theme in my house. But it's really a versatile piece and it takes that glitter shamrock from the Dollar Tree and makes it look so much more high end. Once I have it all on there, I just gave mine a quick trim so I still have that great shamrock shape. And the fact that I used the two different colors of reindeer moss, even though they're the same thing from the Dollar Tree, really gave it a lot of variety and color. This is the sign I'm using for the base. It was kind of already stained a little bit. Just a wood sign from the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna make it into a very simple base. It's already decorative, which I love. I just turn it upside down, and I'm just gonna put a couple of nails through it so they will kind of poke up from the bottom to give me something to attach the foam shamrock to. I'm also gonna use some hot glue to make sure it stays in place, and I just sit the foam shamrock right on top like that and it glues it in place. It's really lightweight, so it's easy for it to stand up on its own. And this is how it turned out, our shamrock St. Patrick's Day decor piece. I love it. I think it's so much fun. I'm using it again this year for St. Patrick's Day. And if you would like more St. Patrick's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.